Hey there everybody, Indy Dirk here with another Google Sheet tutorial. In this tutorial I want to go over with you the sum function. It's a real simple function that basically does addition of a cell range and sums it into another cell. So right here I have a few examples of this. Right here is your most basic example, and we're summing A4 through A11, and that's represented here, the result of that. Over here, I actually have summing down in this cell the results of all of the highlighted cells, and I have not included the values in the purple cells yet. I wanted to fill those in so that you guys could see that this 180 down here is going to change as I work my way down. So we can see that's 210, and then I don't know, let's say 560, whatever, 7, and 2. Okay, cool. So we see that that's represented here. And you also saw these other numbers change. I wanted to point out that this is every box. So this is, I basically just summed that range right there into here. And then this 7,000 number is just summing this A12 and the F12. And you can see that if we want to, like this function, if we want to kind of get nitpicky and only choose certain cells here and there, we just place a comma in between. And actually what you can do when you're writing this formula, I'll just clear it out of there. We're going to say equals sum, and then we're going to just come up here and click and comma and click and comma and click and comma and click. Yeah, and just kind of go through and click the cells that you would like to have. And actually we can hold down the command and just go through and click these like this, and there we go, we arrive at our result. So oops, and I didn't click that one. There we go, boom, 779. So alright, that's a real quick introduction to the sum function in Google Sheets. So you can see that we can make it real simple and pretty dynamic as well. So, all right, hope that helps. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.